Hey everybody, Fotoman here, and we are in Sharples today again. I know I've done one video of the grain elevator before. This is kind of a special one because in a short amount of time this year, the grain elevator will be demolished, I found out. Now I found out about that by Team DanOCan, Dan and Emily, and Mabel, can't forget the dog. And they invited me out for a day on May 31st. And we went out on the Saturday, and I got burned because it was 33 degrees. And I didn't have a hat because I'm silly. But, it was a great day hanging out with them. It was a great day going to Sharples, and we went to Dorothy after that. We both flew our drones. It was just a fantastic day, and finally getting to meet them was icing on the cake, really. My channel's not popular enough to embed the links into the video itself, so I'll put the video links and his website link in the comment section below. So please check out his sites. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in as always. And we'll see you on the next one.